Think you know the Sydney Opera House? Think again. This world-famous icon isn't just a pretty landmark, it's hiding secrets that will blow your mind. From its jaw-dropping design to backstage mysteries, here's why the Sydney Opera House deserves a top spot on your travel bucket list. Let's start with a shocker. The Sydney Opera House we know and love almost never existed. Back in 1956, the design competition for the Opera House received 233 entries from 32 countries. The winning design? It was submitted late, nearly discarded, and chosen only because one judge, Eero Saarinen, pulled it out of the reject pile. Danish architect Jorn Utsen's revolutionary sails concept didn't just win. It redefined what modern architecture could achieve. But did you know those iconic sails were inspired by orange slices? Here's where things get dramatic. The Opera House took 14 years to build, 10 years longer than planned, and went over budget by an eye-watering 1,357%. It was supposed to cost $7 million, but the final price tag? $102 million. Utsen faced immense pressure and political interference. In 1966, he quit the project and never returned to Australia to see his masterpiece completed. Talk about bittersweet. Beyond the dazzling exterior lies a maze of secrets. Did you know the Opera House has over 1,000 rooms? Only a fraction of them are open to the public. There's a stunning private reception room called the Utsen Room, named after the architect himself. It features his original tapestries and offers breathtaking views of Sydney Harbour. And here's a bonus. There's even a hidden recording studio buried beneath the sails. Let's hit you with some fun facts. The Sydney Opera House hosts over 1,500 performances each year. Its largest concert hall seats over 2,000 people and has a chandelier weighing 15 tons. Talk about fancy lighting. And while it's called the Opera House, it's so much more than opera. You can catch ballet, theater, symphonies, and even stand-up comedy here. Oh, and don't forget Vivid Sydney, when the Opera House becomes a canvas for dazzling light projections. In 2007, the Sydney Opera House was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site, joining the ranks of the Taj Mahal and the Great Wall of China. It's not just a building, it's a symbol of Australia's creativity, culture, and global influence. If you're planning your ultimate travel bucket list, the Sydney Opera House is a must-visit. From guided backstage tours to dining at the iconic Opera Bar with a view of the Harbour Bridge, this place offers unforgettable experiences you won't find anywhere else. So whether you're here for the architecture, the performances, or just the vibes, the Sydney Opera House is an adventure waiting to happen. What's on your bucket list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more travel inspiration from around the world. See you at the next destination.